Alrighty, boys and girls. Plan for today was to take my wife's Jeep, bought a new alternator for it, and bought a new battery. I was going to get it back up and going because last time we drove it, the alternator was getting real weak and we parked it. Fired it up. It was squealing on the serpentine belt system. I was like, okay, whatever. I just got to get, from here or from there on the back side of the shop to here. Fired it up, drove it over. And about the time I got to right there by the pine trees, everything started spinning easy. Like it started just, steering wasn't bound up or anything like that. I was like, oh, cool, whatever. Made it right here. And it had snapped the serpentine belt in half. So, of course, alternator. Way down there. No spin. Everything else still spins nice. But not the alternator. So it gave me one last, parting goodbye present. But anywho, so with that being said, we're still going to go ahead and change the alternator. Looks like the best way to get to it is to just go ahead and remove the battery. Looks like it's got maybe a 15 mil on the top and on the bottom, and a 10 that's holding the, let's see, I'm guessing it's a ground cable. It might be a power. Yeah, it's power. Power to the alternator. Nothing special to these things. It does have this little connector right here to disconnect it. All you have to do is feel around to a little push tab. You just push it. It opens up that. And yeah. But anyways, change the alternator, put the battery back in it. I will get a new serpentine belt for it, and we'll have this back up and going. Gotta have another rig up to go. My grain truck, it decided it didn't want to be alive anymore, so it took a temporary leave of absence. Looks like it kicked out the rear main seal on the green truck because it is pouring oil out of the back side of the engine. So I'll have to get that fixed, but figured this would be easier, and I still hold true. It probably will be easier, but as of now, it's not, working, so. So here's my wife's alternator. As you can see, it is cracked right along through there. It's been that way for a while, and it started pushing out there. But I guess last time we drove it to where we parked it, and it decided it didn't want to drive anymore since then. But no telling how old this alternator is. But it did its job. We get our money's worth out of it. Yeah, tried a drop test that didn't free it up. So that's how you know an alternator's bad. But it's all right. We don't need that one to be good because we've got this guy. Ooh, pretty shiny, not broken. Get this out. I did end up removing the battery box just to get better access to move it all. Might not have had to, but I did it. You do just have to undo the top bolt and the bottom bolt. The bottom one was on there as tight as could be. Used a little bitty impact, got it out. And then I did have to loosen out the bolt on, let's see if it'll focus. So this is where the alternator is. So this is the bottom side one, bracket mount. There's a little bracket right here. I did have to undo this bolt on the bracket to allow it to slide up and out, but it did come. So there's also bolts on the top side of this bracket. You might have to undo them, but I was able to wiggle my alternator back and forth and it came out. So, do with that as you will. Anyways, it's out, new one's going back in. Back to time lapse. Battery is back in place. Alternator's on. We will be visiting Rock Auto and seeing how much a new serpentine belt costs. But yeah, so it's back together. You know, that's a big step in the right direction. I don't know if you can see it out there. There's like a million dragonflies. Just flying around. Ah, it's gorgeous this time of year. Hotter than I'll get out, but it's gorgeous. Anyhow, that pretty well concludes what we're trying to get done today. We got the alternator on, brand new battery in. Didn't expect to have to be getting a serpentine belt, but you know, that's just what it is, I guess. So we'll get a new serpentine belt coming, we'll get that on, and I guess we'll park this out of the way until that shows up. But anywho, hey, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it.